In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in StarPets account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened google.com. So what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in starpets.gg. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of StarPets. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for login. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is provide the login information. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option, create an account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Now what you have to do is enter the login information. Enter your login username or email over here. Click on this field and enter the login or email. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter these informations, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm that you're not a robot. Simply go through the CAPTCHA verification. Once you do that, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in StarPets account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.